Leaving the icy snow of the northeast, we arrive at the gentle water towns of the south. The sweetness of dompo, pork, the richness of pickled vegetable, and fresh meat soup. Every bite is the taste of Zhongnan. The sound of oars, full of blessings, conveys the joy of the new year between the rivers. The sweetness of osmanthus dot cake, the auspiciousness of dinshang cake, and the plumpness of sweet duck are the most delightful memories of the spring festival in this water town. Watching Shi opera is a tradition for people in the water town during the new year. Under the night, float a river, lantern and let wishes drift with the current. Red lanterns hang high outside the window and laughter fills the room. Inside, this is the warmest New Year in the water tower. Going to the market to buy New Year goods is an important way for people in the water town to welcome the new year. The first ray of sunshine in the new year shines on the peaceful water town. From the icy snow to the misty rain of Jiangnan, Chinese New Year varies by region, but is equally full of the joy of reunion and hope for the new year. The differences between Spring Festival in the north and the south show the profound and the extensive nature of Chinese culture. Next episode, let's walk into ethnic minorities to see how they celebrate Spring Festival and feel more unique cultural charm.